Welcome to Apex Operations Group Assessment and Selection, and thank you for your interest. My name is Raiden and I'm the founder of AOG. However, the scope of what we're trying to achieve here would be little more than a pipe dream without the help and advice of many people over the last couple of years. People are the backbone of what we're trying to build here at AOG, and we strive to keep that in mind at all times. This information packet is intended to firstly help you decide if AOG and the level of realism we strive to uphold is what you are looking for in a unit, and if so, to provide you with vital information to get you through assessment and selection and into the unit, kicking in doors and schwacking bad guys. Being a member of AOG will push you to and beyond the limits of what you thought possible in a simulation environment, and a can-do attitude and desire to learn and improve will be valued just as much, if not more so, than your current capabilities. AOG strives for one-to-one realism in all aspects other than rank etiquette. We do use a rank structure derived from the SAS to signify seniority and reward those who go above and beyond. You will be expected to uphold unit SOPs, train in marksmanship and real-world TTPs, use proper radio etiquette, maintain a high level of focus and discipline during operations and training, and practice firearm safety. Those who have a desire to operate at a high level and are prepared to put in the time it takes to do so will excel. AOG selection takes place over a 4-week period at main operation time on our off-deployment FTX cycle. Module 1 covers orientation and marksmanship. Module 2 covers small unit tactics and helicopter operations. Module 3 covers CQB and military operations in urban terrain. Module 4 covers TC3 medical and unit SOPs. After successful completion of selection, individuals will then go on to do specialised training within their selected SMU. If you miss one module, you may be able to arrange with your recruitment officer to do this at an alternative time. Missing more than one module will mean that you are removed from that intake and you will have to reapply on our next intake cycle. This is the onboarding process for everyone entering the unit, no exceptions. AOG's structure and naming conventions take a lot of inspiration from the British, Australian and New Zealand SAS, and what is not known about these units due to their high levels of secrecy is primarily filled in with the wealth of material that is available from the US Army Rangers. This melting pot of TTPs fit right into the lore of AOG, as the initial inspiration for the unit was what if a Western Tier 1 PMC had the level of support and integration from the US as we have seen with Russia and the Wagner PMC in recent years. AOG uses a modified version of the SAS-style squadron structure, of which the 4-man patrol is the foundation. 4 men make up a patrol, 4 patrols make up a troop, and 4 troops make up a squadron, with each troop specialising in a particular form of insertion. We have modified the structure slightly to suit a Joint Task Force Milsim environment, and this organisation chart gives an overview of that structure. The Contract Coordination Office, or CCO, is our dedicated Zeus and mission-making team, consisting of our Chief Coordinator, callsign Archon, and 2 assistant coordinators. The Operations Command Center, or OCC, is the task force that oversees all AOG operations and are representatives for the unit to the wider Milsim community. The OCC consists of myself as Chief Executive Officer, a Chief Operations Officer, and a 2-man recruitment team. All OCC positions are purely administrative, and members are free to hold other in-game positions within AOG. D Squadron HQ is the commanding element for all AOG ground forces. They are responsible for training, sustainment, mission planning and tasking. D Squadron HQ consists of myself as Officer Commander, callsign 0 Alpha, a 2IC Squadron Operations Officer, callsign Razor 1, a Squadron Sergeant Major, callsign Razor 2, and a Squadron Quartermaster Sergeant, callsign Razor 3. D Squadron 1 Troop Air consists of a Troop Sergeant Major and 4 4-man patrols. They are AOG's primary assault element, carrying out direct action, hostage rescue and close protection services. 1 Troop are experts in military freefall and vertical insertion methods. D Squadron 2 Troop Mobility consists of a Troop Sergeant Major and 4 4-man patrols. They are AOG's primary support element, carrying out direct action, hostage rescue and close protection services. roles, as well as support by fire, isolation, containment, transportation, and engineering operations. 2 Troop are experts in vehicle-based operations and machine gun theory and employment. They are trained in advanced driving, navigation, and vehicle maintenance to perform deep penetration raids and reconnaissance. D Squadron 3 Troop Recon is a 4-man patrol that provides advanced force operations, forward observation, target collection, and long-range precision fires. E Squadron 4 Troop Intel is a 5-man intelligence gathering and processing team consisting of a chief intelligence officer and 1 by 4-man patrol. 4 troops are experts in ISR and carry out target collection, mission analysis, sensitive site exploitation, and ISR operations via the MQ-9 Reaper drone. Both 3 Troop Recon and 4 Troop Intel will require additional time commitment during the week, particularly while on deployment due to their involvement in target collection, advanced force operations, and mission analysis. We now move to our aviation wing. The Air Operations Center is under the command of the Air Officer Commander, who is responsible for overseeing all aviation operations and training. Within the AOC, we have the following. Black Talon Squadron, consisting of 3 by 5-man rotary crews operating the MH-60M, the MH-47G, the MH-6, the AH-6, and the MH-60M Pavehawk airframes. Tempest Squadron, consisting of 2 by fixed-wing pilots operating the F-16 Fighting Falcon, the C-130, and C-17 airframes. Within the Air Operations Center, we also have the 1st Combat Coordination Group, or 1CCG, consisting of the following. 1 by 4-man PJ Tactical Surgical Team, with the team leader overseeing all other AOG medical training and operations, and the team as a whole implementing said training. The team facilitates medevac and casevac operations and provides medical sustainment. 1 by 2-man Special Recon Patrol, providing long-range precision fires, team-level UAS operations, and sensitive site exploitation. 1 by 2-man Tactical Air Control Party, responsible for facilitating close air support and executing the officer commander's fires intent. 1 by 2-man Combat Control Team, responsible for executing the Air Officer Commander's airspace plan. The TAC-P and CCT positions are obviously very intricate, and I'm not going to pretend we know it all or even close to that. We strive to learn as much as we can through the open source material available. However, if you have real world experience in these areas, we would be honoured to learn from you. Upon applying for AOG recruitment, you will be asked which SMU you are most interested in joining. Our recruitment officers and HQ will do their best to place you in the position you desire. However, positions are subject to availability, and some positions may require you to reach certain competencies before they become available to you. AOG main operations take place on Saturdays at 2000 hours Eastern Standard Time. This translates to Sunday 1400 hours New Zealand Daylight Savings Time and 1100 hours Australian Eastern Standard Time, with periodic training, recon and target building also taking place on Wednesdays at 2100 Eastern Standard Time. All operations and training will be posted with the time and date auto-converted to your local time. Real life commitments will always come before AOG. I'm a father myself and extremely busy. Sometimes life happens, however, we do require you to make a reasonable time commitment, and falling below a 75% attendance rate on main operation days may mean you lose your position in the unit, with some SMUs requiring a commitment through the week also. If you have been picked to attend selection, a recruitment officer will contact you within 72 hours to give you further instructions and help guide you through the selection process. This selection process has not only been designed to test your skills and distill in you the knowledge required to be an effective member of AOG, but also to be an immersive and enjoyable challenge that we hope you enjoy. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you soon.